sat the 4004 fixture on top of the pole. It's got about 5 inches of threading that it's going to be screwed down on. Only install this in a vertical fashion like this. Don't try to attempt to screw down the fixture if it's laying on its side, because you want to make sure you got it perfectly vertical so that you don't cross thread anything, or certainly don't want to. The threads, they're aluminum, and certainly if you put a lot of torque on it and you had it laying out sideways, that could damage the threads. It should be a very smooth threading, like this right here. A little bit of a workout, but not difficult. So if it's more difficult than that, then you please just take it off immediately and reposition it. So that's it right there. Just to see it in the full plate there. Yeah, without that light in the background too much, but you see, over here we have a 4002 fixture and a 4005 fixture. There's an 8-foot pole on the left and 9.5-foot pole in the center, and then a 12-foot pole there on the 4004.